Right, good old shed viewers. We are under the old dashboard here. Whether you can see it, I'm only setting up because I'm trying to make you sort of see what I'm trying to do. But I'm trying to get the steering column out because these bushes here, see these? They're perished. And the column's got loads of plates. So, I'm going to redo it. As soon as we've got it all in bits. Now, I'm only doing it because I'm here. I'm not doing it because I want to, believe me. You have no bloody idea how much I despise working with cars. But I thought I'm going to do this now. I can get this out tonight. I've got all the bits to do it, so not like the balancing, which I haven't got. So we'll just get this to pieces, right? If it comes out of that fight, then you'll see what I'm doing. If it doesn't come out of the fight, you won't. If you really care, then look away, because it gets worse. Oh God, well, like, right guys, so there's the first headache straight away. The bolt on that side is slightly different, so we'll come to that one in a minute. I think this one's actually metric. I think it's like brilliant, like the fact that this car is like it's got so much of Barrington Lions in it. It's scary. I personally can't stand the bloody woman, but oh God, somebody gave her 4 children. God, the poor guy. He must have a drink problem. More than worse than me. Anyway, right guys, oh God, jet the morning. Right, okay, so there we go. I don't know what happened there, but something fell off. I think it's my steering column. Right, so what we got here? We got steering column down. Now, steering column down. Here we go. There we go. That's out. There's 2 bushes. Okay, right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take you with me while showing you what I'm doing. Right, so whether you can see anything, I don't know, because I haven't got this set up for camera mode user friendly. Right, handbrake cable, freeing it off. Right, now we got this. Right, so we know that's on the bottom, right? So that's got to go back on. There's like a little spacer there. There's, I don't know what else there is. Oh, I'll tell you what there is. There's an awful lot of grit in there. I'll give you that much. In fact, there's so much grit in there. I wonder where it kind of pieces. I don't know. Well, come on then. Anybody's done with these? Anybody done one? Anybody know? I've done a earlier one of this. I've never done one of these. Right, so in a minute I'm going to say, oh God, do you know what, guys? This is where it all goes really horribly wrong. Okay, well, so this is a lock steering column, right? The problem I got here is you can't actually see. See, look. There's a circlip down there. See that? Now that circlip's got to come off to allow this to come up, those splines. Then I can undo this, pull this off, and then hopefully I can get to that top bush, which is one of these. I don't know which one, but it's one of them. And then the bottom one seems to be held slightly different. I'm not sure what's holding the bottom one. I'm not sure the column doesn't come out down, to be honest. But I'm sure that those bushes must be the same. But either way, if not, I'd rather find out now, for the simple reason is, I can buy some of these bushes in my order list, which I've just been doing. So, there you go. Right, look guys, this is what a disorganised bench looks like. I've got sort of things that are going a bit, nothing's going, was it something's going my way. Ah, okay, so, circlip off. We put that somewhere so we don't lose it. Let's put it in that little tub. Right, okay. All right, so we got that. That's the other ones, right? So here, oh, there you go. That's full of blasting sand, look. So that needs a good clean out with some carbon because we haven't got. Then you've got this here. Now this is quite interesting because this is actually solid, and in there's usually a little keyway to stop that from turning. But this are not coming off. So we are going to require some sort of maybe nastier bashing beatings. I don't know. So look, come on. Because that's what's really sad about this. There's no easy way to get it off. Now I'm beginning to think that the bushes are different. Do you know what they are? Right, you ready for this, guys? Oh God, I can't. No, that's not good. God. You to me. Yeah. Okay, right. Don't start getting all depressed and fed up and going to look at other channels. Keep looking at the Bodge channel. Edge Shed in real time, right? Right, there you go, that's that. And that goes into there, look. And the circuit goes on the top. So we'll give that a good clean out before it goes back on. And now we're back to this. Now, this was actually moving. Oh, there it is. There's your upper column, right? So that's great. Now, do you want to hear some interest about this? These are not what you think. These aren't these bushes at all. These are not these bushes. These are, I don't know how quite to show you this, but I'm going to try, so give me a minute, give me a second. It's full, and I mean full of, God help me there. It's full of bloody dust. These are a taper bearing. Look at this. You ever seen that before? I've never seen that in a bloody E Type. Well, oh yeah, well there you go. There it is. See, missing loads of bearings. Bearings falling out. Bearings missing. With a roller surface that has been absolutely. It's a proper taper roller bearing. God. Could you make that up? Really? I'm right. Okay, guys. I'm going to say to you now, right? Listen. I know you're all sort of going to start judging and, you know, judge me, let's not leave you judged. Right, so basically you've got shims, right? So you put this in, and you put shims, you push this in, you put shims in here, and you push that circlip down. The circlip obviously is long gone, so that's gone. This obviously is the upper column. Well, this is not going to be an issue. This is fine. This is actually collapsible. Look, it's got pins. See pins? So that'll break in the event of an accident. Good luck. Anyway, so this whole assembly is slightly different because it's got tapered roller bearings. Well, that is really annoying me because I'll bet you that they'll see me coming on that. I mean, look, there you go. Tapered roller faces, let's see. Tapered faces. Tapered. And I got so much dust. That one should knock out without a problem. And to be honest, so should that one. But that's your difference. That is the difference between your early ones and your late ones. So I've ended up with thinking that I could just put them in there, and you can't. So there's another thing that I'm glad I found out now before I went much further, because if I'd gone further and I thought I had them, when I came to do this and I never had them, I'd then be going, oh, I haven't got them, and I'd be pulling my bloody hair out, wouldn't I? So something else that needs to be bought. Something else that they can have me over for. God. Jesus Christ, guys, you have no idea. This is what takes the fun out of car restoration. This is what takes the fun out of it. Look at this, look. Look at that. God. So we're not gonna get depressed because we haven't got any to. At the moment, we're doing pretty bloody good. So what we're going to say to you guys is, happy? Ain't happy. I wouldn't have any of those because I've never done a Series 2 steering column. Roof leaked, filled up with loads of water from there, look, into some of the boxes here. So we had a bit of an issue, but we cleared most of it. So the steering column requires the bushes, which is going to be tapered steering column, roller bushes, so Series 2. So that's something else that needs to go on the list. Right.